Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Bezel, and I have a quick tip for you on how to fill your bezels easily with the right size circle. So when you get a bezel setting, you have a circle shape usually. Sometimes they're square or oval, but a lot of times they're circles. And it can be hard to cut your material. So whether it's fabric or paper or whatever it may be, it can be hard to cut it in the right size circle. So I have these beautiful ones here by Tiara Cast, and they've got these lovely detailings on them, and then they're a bezel. So you could do embroidery in here, you could do resin, you could do paper, you could do whatever you like, but you need to cut that circle shape out somehow. So what I like to do is I have a pile of coins handy. And this is from my travels. So I have all different coins from different places, which is fun because they're all different sizes. So you see here, there's so many different sizes to choose from. And what I do is when I have a bezel that I want to fill with something other than resin, if I'm filling it with resin, it's a different story, but often even with resin, you often fill it with like a paper backing or something. I look and I start to play with my coins and see what fits in there. And I did this ahead of time with this one. So I know that a US quarter, which is right here, happens to fit these lovely Tiara Cast bezels pretty much perfectly. It's actually a little small, which is what you want. So when you are choosing a coin, so you could put in a different coin. You see that one's too small. But when you are doing it and you find one, you want it to be a little bit loose. And that's because when you trace around the outside of the coin, it's going to create a little bit of a larger shape than the shape of the coin, the circle of the coin itself. So I have this little bit of paper right here, and this is actually wrapping paper. And what I like about this wrapping paper is I can see through it ever so slightly because I want to draw my circle on the back side so I don't see my pen marks. But I can see those pretty little yellow flowers, and I'm just going to make a little mark along their outer edge. So I made 3 little marks. I'm going to put my coin on top so that I pretty much cover all those marks. And that way I know that those yellow flowers will be in the center. And then I'm just going to take my pen and trace around it and remove it. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut it out. Okay, almost there. Now I'm going to take a setting. Got those pretty little yellow flowers, and there it goes. So you see, it was a really easy way of creating a good template to be able to put into a bezel setting. So to do that, again, just keep a pile of coins. If you travel, save your coins because they're really handy as perfect little circle shapes that you can use to fill your bezels. Well, you don't fill them with the coins, but you can use them as templates to cut out what you want to fill your bezels with. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Please do check out many more over at bezel.com.